Hello, I'm Achim Kettler from Dental Beans and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Enjoy! To make measurements in coDiagnostiX, click on the measurement button. You will have a plus on the right side of your cursor. Left click start, left click end, and you have an active measurement, which means you can move the crosses to other situations. Want to make an additional? Click again here, measure, and here in the moving picture of the tangential you can make a starting point and move to the other direction of the teeth, and then you have a three-dimensional measurement. You see them on the left side. Right click on a measurement, rename, then you can give you a specific name, and if you click OK, you have your name and the number of the measurement, the figures in brackets. Want to get back to your starting points? No problem. Search your starting cross, your cursor turns to a half, left click, and you are back where you started. Hello, you don't have this button on your toolbar? No problem. See video number 6, modify toolbar, and you will have it in 1 minute.